My portfolio this week is valued at over $129,000, and today I'm going to break that down by covering all my different account values, like my TFSA and RRSP, and we'll also break down any potential dividends I've received, as well as any buys, sells, or deposits I've made over the past week. Welcome back everyone to another weekly portfolio update video. I hope you've all had yourselves a fantastic week. My name is Kevin at FinTrack Freedom. I'm a 25-year-old long-term investor, and this is my Canadian personal finance channel where my ultimate goal is to one day retire early off of my investments. This week, my entire portfolio is valued at $129,485.53. Of that $129,000, I have $118,405.25 in my Wealthsimple trade accounts, and the remainder is in my Wealthsimple Cash account, earning me 5% interest, and in this account I have $11,560.70. As a quick reminder, I am trying to hit 2,000 subscribers as fast as humanly possible. We just reached 1,000 subscribers last week, so to help me reach my goal of hitting 2,000, be sure to subscribe down below if you enjoy my content and also hit that bell icon. And then for the YouTube algorithm, let's be sure to break 50 likes on this video. I know we can do it. There wasn't much for transactions this week, just a $600 deposit from my checking account into my Wealthsimple Cash account, and then a $100 transfer from my Wealthsimple Cash to my Wealthsimple Crypto. As for dividends received this week, I received $0 worth of dividends compared to last week's $122.63. Heading over to my TFSA now, it is sitting at $39,035.49, and for some reason it says that the account is up 21,000% this week, which is just not accurate, so we don't know how much it was up this week based on this, but if we check out the last month, it is down 2%, and it is up 20% on the 3-month. And then in the TFSA this week, I had a $105 reoccurring buy of XEQT, and then a $25 reoccurring buy of QQC. Now the FHSA is at $8,402.53. This account is down just about $11 this week, and on the month it is up 1% or $100, and on the 3-month it is up $440 or 6%. And just like our TFSA, just a reoccurring buy in the FHSA of $175 worth of XEQT. My RRSP is at $31,867.55. And again, in this account, just like the TFSA, the past week performance is definitely not up 5,000%. I don't know what's going on. Wealthsimple's a little bit glitchy right now, but checking out the 1-month performance, the account's up 3%, and on the 3-month, the account is up 15%. As for the trade logs in the RRSP, a $70 buy of VOO and a $80 buy of SCHD. The last stock account here, the non-registered account, is at $15,324.16, and this account is up 1% on the week, it is up 3% on the 1-month, and it is up 12% on the 3-month. And then in the non-registered account this week, there were no transactions whatsoever. And lastly, over here in the big crypto account, it's sitting at $23,772.24. This account is down 3% on the week, it is down 4% on the month, and it's still up a pretty staggering 38% on the 3-month. Once again, just all the reoccurring buys in the crypto account this week, so a $40 buy of Bitcoin, $30 buy of Ethereum, and a $10 buy of Polygon Matic, Chainlink, and Polkadot. If you're interested in using Wealthsimple, you can sign up using my link in the description or with the code on screen to receive $25 when you open and fund your Wealthsimple account with any amount of money. Literally, you could just put $1 in and you would get $25. Again, link in the description or that code on screen. Jumping over to the portfolio tracking spreadsheet, the portfolio is sitting at $129,479.34. All of my accounts altogether are up 7%. The total yield of all my accounts is at 1.47%, and the total dividend/interest income on all my accounts is $1,555. This week, my stocks definitely outperformed the crypto, which is kind of the opposite of what's been happening. Usually the crypto account has been carrying my portfolio, but crypto has fallen just a little bit the last couple weeks after the ETF approvals. But stocks continue to rally. The S&P 500 this week hit new all-time highs, which is absolutely crazy. This is the part of the video. If you want to pause and check out any of my individual holdings, you can go ahead and, of course, pause at any point as I'm scrolling down here. And I'll also head over to my crypto holdings here so you can also pause. Checking out our dividend tab here, we did not receive any dividends the last week, so this has not been updated from last week. We're still sitting at, $226.67 worth of dividends received in 2024 so far. So I don't have a ton of time today, and I also don't have a ton to go over this week, but I am very excited to say that this spreadsheet will be available for you guys to download hopefully by the end of January. I'm aiming for a video showing everyone how to download and use the spreadsheet before the next portfolio update video. We'll see if that happens, but I do plan on releasing the spreadsheet before February 1st. So be sure to keep your eye out for that video. It will show you guys how to set up everything and how to use it. It's going to be very important that you watch the video on how to set up the spreadsheet because there are a few things that are a little bit weird to set up. All right, everybody, that's going to do it for this week's portfolio update video. I'm sure this one was much shorter than last week's. I don't have a ton of time this week, unfortunately, but if you did enjoy and you made it this far, be sure to leave a like down below. We're trying to reach 50 on this video. And if you're not subscribed for some reason, be sure to do so. We're trying to hit 2,000 subscribers as fast as humanly possible. And yeah, thank you all again very much for watching, and I will see you next time.